Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, people. This is what Lahore looks like right after a rain. You look at the clouds. I'm just taking a walk with my unkempt and unruly hair and untrimmed beard. But anyway, let me show you the plants. Garden chairs. This is my fig tree. And you see, little figs are coming here. One there. There was one here, but I'm not sure someone took it out. Uh, this is a traditional ladder, you can climb it. This is the modern replacement. This is a gas geyser. I'm not sure it works completely now, but yeah. These are the empty pots for planting. This is my favorite spot. It's all calm and quiet here. Aloe vera. This whole jungle of aloe vera back there. These plants are growing pretty fast. I'm not sure what happened, but last time I showed you guys, there wasn't much in them, but now they're growing like crazy. This is the wild rose. Wild rose. Small wild rose. I don't know the names of these. Pretty, but I don't know what they're called. This wild bush jungle is growing like crazy. Now, guys, that's all for today.